Here's how to check if your TV is using the right HDMI input format. First is go to the All Settings option. Under the All Settings option, go to the Channels and Inputs option. And then under the Channels and Inputs, go to the Inputs option. Once you're already on the Inputs option, you will see there the HDMI that has been connected to your television. Now to see if you are connected or have the right input format to your HDMI, you can now go ahead and check each HDMI. As for me to my television, HDMI is the right HDMI input format to my television. You don't have to worry because you can go ahead and have the HDMI control, which means that automatically your television will imply the right HDMI input format to your television if you do a power off or have a restore default option.